Sacred Heart Boys High Secondary School Phudmawri Mawlai kalapalong ya ka Convocation pin Khuborm ki Samla puli class 10 but kajing khuble khatdu ki Samla puli class 12 ki balapendap kajing puli how news nem Hakani ka Convocation uba Ivan Milingdo MCS Block Development Officer Maupat ukana school barim ka Sacred Heart ulalong Kongsan but Reverend Padar Michael Makri Director ka Donbosco Youth Center ulalong Usumbut Kongsan Hakajingkren kumukongsan uba Ivan Milingdo ulakentui ki Samla puli beginlong ki bajai-jai ha ka perkhat ka perdan bat kimde ban kirke ne bam jaklut banjet ne ban pendap ikijing puli jongki.
So a brief, a message for the outgoing students. Today we have the graduation day. We see the word graduation comes from the Latin word grad, means a step. You take a step ahead, step into the unknown. And when we step into the unknown, it brings us also fear as well as excitement. It's always there. We are excited. Okay, what's next? So as we are going to take this step, how do give a kind of a message? For example, okay, right now I'm also the video of Mawlai, and whenever I go to my office, when I pass through Landroning, that PSF camp, there is one signboard for the road. Instead of the road, stop, look, and go. I think we can draw a lot of lessons from this signboard, from this road signboard. Stop, look, and go. When I say stop, it doesn't mean you stop. It means to slow down. When we are young, we are full of energy. We have no patience. We tend to jump, we tend to take decisions, and sometimes, we realize we had made the wrong decision after many years, and so in order to avoid that, it is very important to slow down, stop, and then look. Look what step I'm going to take. If I take this step, where will it lead me? If I take this step, where will I be? Let's say in 5 years, let's say in 10 years. Okay, so it's very important. And look means to analyze, see the situation, see the possibility, to look not only outside, not only at others, not only at situations, but also look into yourself. What are my strengths? What are my, capacities? Where is my talent? Most of the times I know, especially as friends, we tend to choose a subject, for example, for our graduation, for our degree course, just because my friend is going to the line. My friend is going to, I'm also going to the line. Totally prospecting, like, okay, if I go this line, is it meant for me or not? So it's very, very important. It's very important to look and analyze before you make a decision. And next is go. Once you decide, you work hard towards it. There is no right decision or wrong decision. You just make a decision.
Reverend Padar Michael Makri hakajingkren ulakentui ki Samla puli banumting ni randin habakia kendo ikjing ne hakajing sha Rhem ban penlong ye kini kijing bat jing Rhem kum ki maujam ban tereshitam arsha ban poisha clear ki lum jong kajing job bat kana.
On this auspicious day, I would like to share with you just 3 important points probably which me as a past people from this school have embarked in my life. The first point I would like to tell is this: dear friends, especially the graduates, embrace failure as a fuel for success. Embrace failure as a fuel for success. There is a misconception that success is a straight line. This is a wrong conception because the reality is far from it. Success is not a straight line. However, each setback that you encounter is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to be successful. You remember the story of Thomas Edison. He said, 10,000 times I have learned that these things does not work. I have not failed. I just came to know that 10,000 things does not work. And that is exactly what we should remember.
Hakini kasngi lapan Khuborom yu Samla Freddy Lingkhoy ubalarung haga thuk bakandai haga class 12 but ikibala yo highest mark hagi subject beper kibakan thup yu Shai Kupar Thernyang Tay Borlingdo but yu Stevenson El Nonglan. Baro ki Samla bala pass class 10 but class 12 kila yo ra iki memento sa akan mau hakini kasngi convocation. Hakini kasngi kisur bakmen bat bajam kila pendak ya kathem wa amkra bat ya Shillong Phudmawri barok away de jingruai bat jingrisa jungki kena school Sacred Heart Boys.
Give a big round of applause. Freddy Lingkhoy secured the 9th rank in the HSSLC exams in the
Father Michael Macri to kindly hand over the contribution in cash to our achiever. I think this is not there. Miss.
She said that you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody to miss you so much.